Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
White wall tires. They say, look at me. Here I am. Look.
Hello, guys.
Johnny!
Hi, Gani. What's going on?
Using your light and pick them up with your tongs. All right, ready camping, Ms. Bell?
Hey! Retirement? What's going on?
Bersama, tak ada yang bingung atau sedih. Berbagi selalu membuat
St. Louis, a Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Bonita música.
Kid, it's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Not really.
my Tomica, and what's your name, son? One, two, three, a winner!
Who'll be jamming now?
Spinning dragon attack!
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing...
He's great.
I gotta go to a doctor. I keep getting these sharp pains in my undercarriage.
Downloading the...
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But, how
Ready, buddy?
I'm not sure these tires can get me all the way to California.
Pete, stop.
I wish you could see this.
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Se dan por vencido. ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Oí que es el más veloz del oeste. Sí.
A toast.
Let's.
I dedicate my win tomorrow to Miss Sally.
Oh, sorry, Mater, let's go! You're on!
All right, my name.
he's got some serious work ahead of him if he wants to get back in this race.
Thanks, guys! Nice paint, kiddo! My GPS is saying I have slow traffic in my way.
No, you are not winning.
And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait. Is that... this? Yeah, that's it. What? Whoa!
Thanks, Fred.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will be...
Can only be disarmed by the one who activated it.
Say it.
Deactivate.
Check out Guido. Nice maneuvers. Wow.